Hello there, cybersecurity enthusiasts and anyone else who's joined us today. Today's topic is all about regaining control of a hacked Facebook account. We'll navigate the murky waters of cybersecurity, providing a step-by-step guide to recovery. Before we delve in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. First things first, how do you know if your Facebook account has been hacked? Well, signs can include unfamiliar posts appearing on your timeline, mysterious messages sent from your account, unapproved friend requests, or changes to your personal details. If you've noticed any of these signs, it's possible your account has been compromised. Now, on to the recovery process. The first step is to head over to the Facebook login page. Don't panic if you can't log in, that's why we're here. Look for the Forgotten Password link. Click it. This will prompt Facebook to guide you through a series of steps. Follow these instructions diligently, taking your time to ensure everything is done correctly. This process will initiate a password reset, and voila, you're one step closer to regaining control. After you've done this, Facebook will send you a password reset email. Once you've regained access to your account, it's time to secure it. Start by changing your password, ensuring it's both unique and strong. Next, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection, requiring a second form of verification to log in. Lastly, review your account activities. Look for any unfamiliar devices or locations. If you spot anything suspicious, it's best to log out of those sessions immediately. By following these steps, you can help prevent future hacking attempts. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to recovering a hacked Facebook account. We've identified if your account has been compromised, initiated the recovery process, and ensured future security. It's crucial to take cybersecurity seriously, as it safeguards your personal information. Sharing this video could potentially help someone in a similar predicament. Please leave a comment below if this video was helpful. And if you need professional assistance, check the video description or pinned comments. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay safe online.